Part 3 of getting bullied. I guess we have to go see what's the matter. Let's go. I'm really scared. I don't know what to do. Oh, guys, why so gloomy? Oh, no reason. Oh, okay. Just go out and enjoy yourselves. You guys look really tired. Thanks, Mrs. Cornetto. I don't know if I can do this. I'm really scared. Don't worry. We're gonna be by our side. Together. There's the two nerds. Here's what you get for doing that in art class. Ouch, that really hurts. Oh my gosh, Heather, I need to go get a teacher. Where are you think you're going? To get a teacher. Help! Heather's being beat up. Huh? By the bleachers. Ow! Ow! Please stop! Oh, I'm very disappointed in you two. Detention after school. Detention for the whole week. This is not tolerated in our school. Now get out. Heather? Heather? Are you okay? Oh my gosh, she's so badly bruised. Oh my gosh, Heather. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, no, I went to the doctor shut
Oh my gosh, this is so bad. We need to take you to the hospital straight away.